Here is the system at nighttime. All the components already just sitting in here. The two inverters, 1,000 watts each, Magnum Energy, the MMS 1012, MMS 1012-G, and the batteries right now. What I'm doing, you see, balancing them. I get 4 alligator clips, 2 pairs, and both of them, you see the black is going to the black terminal, or the black negative right there. Okay, you can see the minus, see the plus, and see the white is going to the negative, minus, and going to the negative on the other battery, and plus on the yellow terminals. So the balancing the batteries, I would have needed 2 more, a pair, this, so I can able to tie from the positive here, any of this positive here goes to the positive on this one here, and the negative on the white here goes to the black there, and that's good. So we all put the batteries all balancing, because I'm balancing them in pairs. I'm balancing them in two sets. This is a set here for 12 volt. That's a set there for 12 volt. So this one's going to be balanced on whatever voltage they have right now. And you see voltage on this one. Then because I'm going 12 volt, they used to be on the 24 volt configuration to 48 volt. So I just want to make sure all of them are going to be properly balanced. So by doing so, then it would have been great for 2 more terminable. By tomorrow in the morning, I have to step at the store and get some alligator clips, and I can get another pair, or maybe 2 pairs, and then I just need one and balance and hook up to the other ones and get them all balanced together, because now the voltage is transferring on both of them, trying to be equilibrium on each 2 modules. And this one, whatever is, if it's a discrepancy of 0.1 millivolt or 0.2 millivolt or whatever it is, now if I cross one more wire, the negative wire of these 2 modules to the other one here, and the positive there to the other one, then it's balancing the voltage and the current as well. So that will be a powerful or better way of balancing them at the same time, because pretty soon we're going to be hooking up these batteries to the system. As I'm speeding up, you guys can see the work that we've done today. And Cedric was given advice to use a glue. The reason why I don't want to use a glue, brother, is because of I'm gonna block that fin, so at least I can have some air ventilation from there. It's a good thing. It's a bad thing that happened, but it ended up being a good thing. But what you can see on the corner right here is a screw, a self-tapping screw that came on this corner. So I screw on the mesh, so it came underneath here, and then screw it together with a tapping screw. And like at the bottom, there is nothing there. This is just this is the bottom of it. The top it fits pretty well, so it's not gonna be a problem. No critters gonna get in here if I put a glue, and I will just I will mess it up by causing no air or breathe. But since it already happens, everything happens for a reason, and everything turns out pretty well. So thanks for a suggestion. I just want to make it clear there's no critters gonna be, or spiders crawling into this thing, because it's a seal. The only thing is it's already lost the IP67 on it, because it's not gonna be waterproof completely anymore. Because of this, I can the mechanism itself, the marine switches, gauges there, they're all waterproof. So here I don't want to be on a rain because water is going to be coming in here from that side. So I don't want that because I don't want them to come to the lithium batteries because this thing is all sealed. So I don't have any intention even having them on a rain or anything like that because it's not safe. Condensation or moisture is a big factor when it comes to electronics. So not taking that chance, but it's good to mention that so that other people can understand where I'm coming from here. jwsolarusa, thanks for watching. Balancing the batteries, and they're looking pretty good and healthy batteries. So I have a 7 kilowatt here. It's gonna be 7 kilowatts. It's 3.5 kilowatts per module. Okay, so 68 amp hours. So supposed to be, according to the specs from the manufacturer, that's what I have is 3.5 kilowatts. So that's be 7 kilowatts right here, just like having seven, I think it's a 7 Nissan Leaf batteries, 7 modules, gonna give you 7 kilowatts, something like that. Yeah, I think so. I'm sorry, is 35. 7 of those Nissan Leaf batteries, 500 watt hours each. So it's 3.5 kilowatt. So 14 of them gives you 7 kilowatt. Okay, so I think that's what it is. Well, guys, if I'm wrong, correct me, but I think that's exactly what it is. But for just in case of argument, so in the fact of argument, so it's that's what it's supposed to be. Well, this is the system, and this is how it looks like, balancing the batteries right here. And by tomorrow, which is Monday, I'm gonna try and get the alligator clips and just clip them there, and I'm gonna be checking the voltage in the morning to see how balanced they are. I'm gonna add it into this video, and you'll see on the update I'm gonna upload it, and you see there's a groove down here I was talking about, and that's how the batteries were hooked to the vehicle. So I just took this half an inch something and slide it underneath and hold it. So part of it is on the ground, the battery is underneath on the bottom board right here, this one, and this one is the one that holding it down, so it's not going anywhere. Then I just install a crossbar, you know, a suggestion with a close friend and a YouTuber brother. He mentioned about these batteries, to put something. How am I gonna come up with a way to hold those batteries in case if they tipped over, maybe the box probably fall or maybe lean. He was thinking they're gonna fall, but with this guy right here, he does the job exactly, because that's how they anchor. It goes like this and scoop in the vehicle underneath. They have like a metal that holds it, slide it. So that's what I did, but I just used a crossbar and put it right there. So I'm calling it the S bar, the swivel bar, or the stabilizer bar like you have for your car. So I just call it my S bar, swivel bar, cross memory bar, whatever. So that's what I did. And more protection. It's not gonna flip more than this. I understand it's concerned because so that they can be, you know, they can loosen up terminals or something else can happen, wire can break and it cause fire or something. But this puppy is gonna be really cool by the time I'm done with it. And I have a portable system, and I'm gonna be having a flexible briefcase solar panels that I'm gonna be tied into the midnight solar kit. And that's a 12 volt system, that's a 30 amp. So it's gonna be really cool. And trying to finish up here, I'm gonna put the outlets on the back by the handle, the carrying handle there. So I'm gonna be is back there because it's kind of thicker, and the wire is gonna go out there, and I have to install the battery cable. So guys, this way you can just slide like this. You see, you push it, it's like a rack. So this is what I'm doing right now, and I hope you like this video. And let me show you the top of it, and we can go from there. And by the time I'm done with this, I'm gonna probably try something newer on the batteries. So stay tuned on that because I have plans for the batteries. I'm gonna try to put a maybe 2019 or some Volkswagen e-Golf batteries here. And this one is the outlet. I already removed the cover, so it's gonna be attached on the back wall right here outside. And this is we're gonna go about pushing this. So the wire is gonna be coming on the bottom right there. See this groove? So this is where the DC power line is gonna be coming. All right. So I'll see, because I want to leave it the way it is so I can use like a shelf or drawer. I can just slide this drawer anytime. If I want to remove the inverters, I can just take the terminals out here. By taking the terminals, I can just slide this shelf or drawer, like a drawer, like out, and we're ready to go for quick maintenance and all that stuff. And I'm gonna try and incorporate the breakers that's supposed to be working on this thing. And in the near future, for other people, they would have installed a BMS system here. These are the temperature sensors attached on the side of the batteries. But if you look at it keenly, for the BMS guys, I haven't got into the BMS. I don't think I'm ready to do that, because I still maintain voltage control or balance. So some people say for safety, I understand. BMS can cause this fire as well, because if you got the BMSs that came with this vehicle, they are the guarantee BMSs. All these other ones are Chinese, and telling you there is no better BMS out there. You can pay more money for the BMS, and sometimes they fail. Anything is not designed to last longer or forever. So you can see the plug right there, have those plugs. So it's a 10, 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. So it's a 10 pin. So it would have been easy, plug and play, just trying to configure which wire or whatever it is. Like I said, I haven't done any BMSs on my videos, and I'm not planning to do that right now. So it's just probably tracing the wire, and you can know exactly which one they're supposed to go to configure with the board, and your BMS is supposed to work really well. Or you can just use the BMS that you have external instead of configuring with board. But if you configure with the board, that would have been sweet, just a plug and play. So I leave it for the people who wants to do that, who wants to think around. Hey, if you think my system is not safe, I need a BMS, I'm more than welcome if you can come over and put BMSs here, install BMSs. I'm going to be sitting down and watch you, because, you know, at least I have someone to work with, and at least I've been showing videos all the time, and I have someone who's going to be sitting here doing BMS, and I'm just like a spectator. At least I have company, but not right now with the COVID thing. Like and subscribe, jwsolarusa. I'd love to have you over, and stay tuned. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed. Bye.